I think her robotics journey began probably 8 years ago when we enrolled her into an exploratory summer camp just to understand her interests, as any parent would do. And from there she picked up into various certifications and learning programs. Probably that set the tone for her robotics journey, so on and so forth. I think looking at her early interest and into robotics and the certifications, also some of the competitions that she participated in, we then enrolled her into a year-long program at UWR, which is where the opportunity to participate into WRO came through. And that's where we realized that we should follow through even more on such learnings and opportunities.
While preparing for WRO, I learned how to use 3D modeling techniques, how to use 3D printers, and learned how to research before creating a project, such as we use biomimetic propulsion to make the robot, which was something that required a lot of research before to find out how to use it and how to apply it to a robot. I feel like it was my first international experience where I got to communicate with teams from different countries, where I got to collaborate with teams as well. Yes, there were a lot of issues that came on an international level as well, which was my introduction to being able to deal with language barriers or communication issues between teams. For FLL Kazakhstan, our team won the Best Innovation Project Award, second in the robot game, and second overall. It was an amazing moment for me as it was my first international competition, and in my opinion, it had been a great success.
I think after having attended few first competitions, the coaches at UWR were always talking about this competition called First Tech Challenge, being the mecca of robotics challenges globally. And that's where I started to learn more, read more about the first competitions and how it can benefit Dhriti in her journey and her learnings of robotics and engineering from there on. There came an opportunity again where FTC teams were being shortlisted and the kids were working on certain projects and FTC objectives. So we again thought that this is going to be a different set of stage and level for Dhriti to explore, and that is when we decided to enroll her into FTC through UWR.
FTC was definitely the biggest challenge that I've had in robotics and robotics competitions. Yes, I faced a lot of challenges, technical issues, and even systematic issues during the preparation, from robotic glitches to glitches within the team. For example, the non-technical aspects of the competition as well, but I still believe that FTC was one of the best experiences that I could have had when it came to troubleshooting and overcoming challenges.
I think it was a great moment for us when she was chosen to represent UAE at FGC, and we thought that this is one opportunity where she can work with diverse countries. It is rightfully being termed as Olympics of robotics, and it was happening at the same venue where Olympics started, which was in Athens, Greece. Great opportunity, and went through with enrolling Dhriti for that as well.
It was my second experience at an international competition, but it was also the biggest experience I've ever had, as there were 193 countries participating at the competition. It gave me an immense amount of exposure, and it helped me with, again, to enhance my leadership skills, my communications, and also my technical abilities.
The big moment came for us during the FGC preparation when Dhriti was announced as the captain of the UAE team, and while we were very, very proud and we were very happy, but it also meant that Dhriti will have to carry a lot of responsibility and accountability, carrying the whole team together. It was a challenge, but at the same time a great opportunity. I think it's not about winning competitions, achievements. It is also not about what global stage that the child goes to. All of this really helped shape Dhriti into a self-reliant, confident, more decisive, and a very different individual than what she was before she embarked on this journey of learning robotics, traveling alone. As parents, we haven't traveled with her to any of the international competitions except for the first one, which was in Kazakhstan. So she's learned to manage herself. She's ready to be mending her own ways, and that is the key point here. That is the silver lining of all of this that she has done over the last so many years.
I feel like the greatest moment was when we found out that we won silver for the Grand Challenge and the first global challenge. It was an amazing moment when we found out that we've ranked second out of 193 countries. It felt less of an award but more of validation or proof for all the late nights, all the hard work, and all the years of preparation that went behind that award. It didn't just teach me tech. It taught me how to learn, it taught me confidence, it taught me responsibility, and it made me grow as a person.
I think what was important for us is, of course, for Dhriti to get admission into a renowned global university to enhance her skills, enhance on what she's already learned in robotics, engineering concepts, and skills. So her journey so far has really helped make her profile a well-rounded one, which is what most of the universities look for. And at the same time, it has made her ready to deal with challenges and opportunities together at the campus that she may go to.
My portfolio tells my story, from WRO to FTC to FGC, from a participant to a captain. It shows how I've grown over the years with the help of robotics and competitions.
If you're wondering when to start, where to start, so it's very important that you start early. Encourage your child to explore a lot of interests, and then once you realize what the interest is, that it's very important to start early, very important to stay consistent with it, be at it, keep going at it, and I'm sure that results will follow, and the child becomes a very different person altogether.
To all the robotics or STEM aspirants watching, I just want to say that your first robot may not be perfect, but if you stick with it till the end, it will open major doors to your future.